Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today we come to the 10th day reading of Ashtavakra Gita. So, in the last 9 days, we have seen 4 discussions between Janaka and Ashtavakra. Janaka asks the question, Ashtavakra answers. Then we have another affirmation session, 2 affirmation sessions, and finally Ashtavakra gives another teaching. So there are 4 discussions which have happened, which actually did a lot of highest level teaching, the straight path in this scripture already. But the scripture cannot be left here. Once we leave it here, there is a lot of scope for misunderstanding and misinterpretation of the scripture. So Ashtavakra aims to give his conclusive, comprehensive teaching, and he starts the 15th Adhyaya to Janaka. So this is known as Sarvatmatva Sukhasthiti. Sarvatmatva is the conclusion of Dakshinamurti Stotra of Sankara Bhagavad-pada also. That is a type of Advaita teaching which is being started here. But this teaching starts with a warning. Ashtavakra Uvacha Yatha Tathopadesena Krutartha Sattva Buddhiman Ajivamapi Jignasuhu Paratantra Parastatra Vimuhyati. Sattva Buddhiman, one who has prepared mind, who is ready for such a teaching. Yatha Tathopadesena, be as you are, this kind of a teaching, Krutarthaha Bhavati. He will straight away become Krutarthaha, established in the teaching. But Ajivamapi Jignasuhu, others who are not ready for this, even lifelong trying, Jignasuhu, being a seeker, Paraha, others, Tatra Vimuhyati, they continue to be deluded. So this need to be understood by people, that it is not getting in there. You have to say that, yeah, we need some more preparation there. So he, second sloka, Moksho Vishaya Vairasyam Bandho Vaishako Rasaha Yetavadeva Vijnanam Yadhechadi Tato Tatha Kuru. This Yadhechadi Tatha Kuru is the concluding statement even Krishna gives to Arjuna. Yatha ichhasi tatha kuru. How do you want to do? You do it. What is that? What you should know? Moksho Vishaya Nairasyam. Moksha is nothing but nirasa about the Vishayas. Anything which is transforming and temporary, they need not be anything to the end of asa. Nirasa Vishaya Nairasyam. Bandho Vaishako Rasaha. Bandha is nothing that thinking that there is some essence in the Vishayas. Vaishako Rasaha. Rasaha is thinking that there is some essence and we need to attain them, do something with them. This itself, this is the final teaching. Yetavadeva Vijnanam. Having Yetavat, this Eva alone, Vijnanam, knowing that Yadhechasi Tadha Kuru. Do whatever you want to do. Vagmi Prajna Mahodyogam Janam Moka Jadalanam. Karoti Tattva Bodhoyam Atastyakto Bhubhukshubhihi. So he is directly saying, I am Tattva Bodha. This Bodha, this teaching, Vagmi Prajna Mahodyogam, those who are Vagmi, who has studied the Shastras, Prajnas, who have understood and having ability to understand, Mahodyogam, people who are really interested in practicing it, Mahodyogam, who are ready to practice it, for them only, for Janam, Moka Jadalasam, those who are Moka Jada Alasa, means who have not studied into the scripture, who are Jada, who are not interested in performing anything, Alasa, who are having a lot of Alasya means laziness, people who are lazy, who are Jada, who are Moka, such people, Karoti Ataha Bhubhukshubhi, and who are interested in the enjoyment of Vishayas, temporary enjoyments, whatever it is. Bhubhukshuhu. Mumukshu is opposite of Bhubhukshuhi. Tyaktaha. They have to give up this teaching. They should not come near this teaching. Natvan deho na te deho bhokta karta na va bhavan chidruposi sada sakshi nirapeksha sukhanchara. Natvam deho, you are not the body. Nate deho, you don't have bodies. Bhokta karta nava bhavan. You are neither the enjoyer nor the doer. Bhokta karta nava bhavan. Bhavan, you. Bhokta karta na. You are not the bhokta, you are not the karta. Chudrupo asi, chudruposi. You are the chitrupa, sada sakshi. You are the witness of everything. All the three times, sada, always sakshi. Nirapekshaha. You don't desire anything. There is no apeksha. Nirapekshaha. Sukhanchara. Be in your bliss. Ragadveshau manodharmo. Namanaste katachana. Nirvikalposi bodhatma nirvikara sukhanchara. Ragadvesha, attraction and repulsion. Monodharmo, they are the qualities of the mind. Namanaste kadachana. There is no mind in you, ever. Never there is a mind in you. Nirvikalposi bodhatma. You have no vikalpa, you have no movement. Nirvikalposi bodhatma. Ever enlightened bodhatma. Nirvikaraha, non-transforming sukhanchara. So realizing the true identity, sukhanchara. Sarvabhuteshu chatmanam sarvabhutani chatmani vijnaya nirahankaro nirmamastvam sukhi bhava. This statement again, Sarva Bhuteshu Chatmanam, Sarva Bhutani Cha Atmani, comes in Ishavasyopanishad, Bhagavad Gita, everywhere. This is where modern literary people think that somebody copied this statement from somebody else's work. It is not so. The expression comes into that natural way, Sarva Bhuteshu Cha Atmanam. All bhutas see in the self. Sarva bhutani cha atmani. In all bhutas see the self. So both ways. All bhutas are established in Atma. All Atma is established in all bhutas. Vijnaya nirahankaro. Not having ahankara. Ahankara is the limitation, which is drawing limitation on the body, mind and intellect. Nirmama. Thinking that this is mine and this is doing, I am doing this. Ahankara is assuming some work being done by me. Mama is something being me and excluding others. That ahankara mama tvam sukhi bhava. Vishwam spurati yatredam taranga iva sagare tattvameva na sandeha chinmurtve vijwaro bhava. Chinmurte is addressing the Janaka. O Chinmurti means a form of Chit. Yatra idam Vishwam sagare taranga evaha spurati. So this Vishwam is seen as waves in the ocean. Tattvam eva. So ocean waves are not different, that you know. Nasandeha. In this there is no sandeha. There is nothing to question about this. Tasman vijwaraha. Jvara is the called fever. Fever or something which is pushing a person to get into a huge amount of activity which is not possible to be done by them. Vijvaraha. Chinmurte Vijvaro Bhava. This Vijvaro Bhava is something like, it is not instructing Janaka to do something, it is like a Asirvachanam. So you be like that. Say, Guru is now started to give the Asirvachana. Sraddhasva tata sraddhasva natra moham kurushva bho jnanaswarupo bhagavan atmatvam prakrute paraha. He repeats, Bho tata, oh boy. So he is addressing the old Janaka. In the form, in the present bodies, Janaka is old and Ashtavakra is only 12-year-old boy. This boy is talking to the old man, Sraddhasva tata sraddhasva. Be faithful, Sraddha. Sraddha is faith put with respect, reverence and realized faith basically. It is not that belief that something will happen in future. Sraddhasva tata sraddhasva. Sraddha is and knowing that Shastra Vakya is true. Shastrasya Guruvakyasya Satya Buddhya Avabodhana Sasraddha Kadhita Sadbhihi Yaya Vastupalabhyate is the definition Sankara gives in the Viveka Chodamani. Sraddhasva tata, Sraddhasva, have the Sraddha, have Sraddha. Natra moham krushva bhavo. Don't get deluded. Jnanaswarupo Bhagavan, you are the form of Jnana only, Bhagavan. Atmatvam prakrute paraha. You are the self, you are not the lower eightfold prakriti. You are different from prakriti. You are the Atma. Gunaihi సంవేష్టితో దేహ తిష్టత్యాయాతి యాతి చ ఆత్మ నగంత నాగంత కిమేన మనోచోచతి గుణై సంవేష్టితో. దర్ త్రీ గుణాస్ విచ్ ఆర్ కాజింగ్ సంవేష్టితో దేహ. ఇన్ ద దేహ దర్ త్రీ గుణాస్ ఆఫ్ సత్వరజస్తమస్. తిష్టత్యాయాతి యాతి చ. లెట్ దీస్ గుణాస్ ఆయాతి, కమ్ అండ్ యాతి, గో. లెట్ దెమ్ కమ్ అండ్ గో. ఆత్మ నగంత నాగంత. Atma is neither Ganta, Atma is not coming, not going. Naganta, Kimena Manusochati. So Atma neither coming nor going. So why are you Anusochati? Why do you think anything about it of these bodies? Dehastishta kalpantang gacchatat vaidava punaha. Ko vruddhi kachaha hanis tavachanmatra rupinaha. Dehatishta kalpantam. Let the body be till the end of the kalpa. Gacchatat vaidava. Gachat Dvaivava punaha, let it go just now, just immediately, right now, let it go, no problem. Kva vurdhihi, what will grow? Kvachava hani, what is lost? So you being a Chinmatra Rupa, there is nothing comes and nothing goes with the body. Tvai anantamaham bodho visvavichi swabhavataha udetuna astamayatu nate vruddhir navakshitihi. Anantamaham bodho, infinite ocean. त्वयि स्वभावतः विश्ववीचिः उदेतु. लेट देम कम वा अस्तम्यातु. लेट देम गो बैक, लेट देम मेर्च बैक. तेन वृद्धिः न क्षिति वा. देयर इज नथिंग डिमिनिशिंग, देयर इज नथिंग ग्रोइंग. तात चिन्मात्र रूपोसि नते भिन्नमिदं जगत्. अतः कस्य कथं कुत्र हेयोपादेय कल्पना. What is heya? What is to be given up in the action? Heya upadeya always go for selecting the karma. I have to do this, I should not do this. Heyopadeya kalpana, that imagination is not there in you, because tata chanmatra rooposi nate bhinnamidam jagat. This world is not different from you. Atah kasya katham kutra. Kasya katham kutra. Where, from where, what, in what way. Heyopadeya kalpana. So you can imagine about this is to be done, this is not to be done. All that happens in the nature. Ekasmin avyaye sante chadakase maletvayi kuto janma kuto karma kuto ahankar evacha. Ekasmin avyaye sante, in one avyaya, undiminishing, sante, ever peaceful, chidakase, in the space of chit. So space bhutakasa, chittakasa, chidakasa. There is one visible materialistic space, there is one mental space, and beyond these two spaces there is one conscious space. In the chitakase, amale, no akasa is touched by any objects it is holding. Amale tvayi, in you, chidakasa, let this mind space and body space, everything be kuto janma, kuto karma, kuto hankara. Where is the janma, where is the karma? Where is birth, where is action, and where is ahankara? Ahankara comes third stage. First birth should be there, then action should be there, then assuming this action to be done by me is ahankara. Where all these things are? Amalaha Santaha, that is important points there. Yatvam pasyasi tatraika stvameva pratibhasase kim pruthak bhasate swarnat Katakangadanupuram. So in the Swarnat, Katakangadanupuram. So different forms of ornaments are made in the Swarna. Yatvam pasyasi, whatever you are seeing, tatra ekaha, so that is only gold. Gold is gold only. Either it is in the form of ring or bracelet or necklace. Kataka Ambruda Nupuram, or it is put to the anklet, doesn't matter. It is all the gold only. Ayam soham, ayam naham, vibhagamiti santyaja. This I am, aham, ayam soham, this I am, ayam naham, this I am not, vibhagam, this differentiation, this distinction, iti santyaja. Santyaja, tyaja is give up. Santyaja, completely give up any such things. Sarvamatmeti nischitya nissankalpa sukhi bhava. Another Asirvachanam is saying. Sarvamatmeti nischitya, having firmly concluded Sarvam Atma iti nischitya sukhi bhava. Tavaiva ajnanato visvam tvamevekha paramarthataha tvat Tyonya nasti samsari nasamsari chakaschana. So where is the samsari? Where is the householder? Samsari means one who is bound, na samsari, one who is not bound. Tavaiva ajnanato vishwam, tava eva ajnanato. In your ignorance of real identity, vishwam is seen, world is seen. Tvameka paramarthataha. In reality, what exists is you alone. So in this tvattonyo tvatta anyaha na asti, there is nothing distinct different from you. So where is the samsara? Where is attachment? Where is the attached and where is non-attached? Bhranti matram vishwamidam. Idam vishwam. Nakinchiditi nischayi nirvasanaha spurti matro nakinchidita syamati. Bhranti matraha vishwamidam nakinchid iti nischayi. It is not anything other than bhranti, delusion. Nirvasanaha, not having vasanas. Vasanas are the third level of attachment, lowest, most strong. Vasanaha spurti matro nakinchid ivasyamati. एक एव भवाम्बोधाद् आसीदस्ति भविष्यति न ते बन्धोस्ति मोक्षो वा कृतकृत्यः सुखञ्चरः. कृतकृत्यः having performed everything, all the krityas, started the work, कृतकृत्यः सुखं भवः. न ते बन्धोस्ति मोक्षो वा. Bandha is not there, moksha is also not there. There is no moksha, there is no bandha. एक एव भवाम्बोधौ नासी वासीद आसीद अस्ति इति निश्चयी. Ma sankalpa vikalpabhyam chittam kshobhaya chinmaya. Don't don't strain your chittam, your mind, by sankalpa vikalpas, by creating imaginations and destroying them. Sankalpa vikalpabhyam. Ma sankalpa vikalpabhyam chittam kshobhaya chinmaya. Upasamya sukhantishta swatmanyananda vigrahe. So this is a wonderful teaching. By this sankalpa vikalpas, don't chittam kshobhaya, don't confuse your mind. Chinmaya, o chitswarupa manava, sankalpa vikalpabhyam chittam ma kshobhaya. So you are only making this shobha by doing this sankalpas and vikalpas, so don't do that. Tyajaiva dhyanam sarvatra ma kinchid dhrudhi dharaya atmatvam mukta evasi kim vimrushya karishyasi. Cheja eva dhyanam. Don't even think about anything. Ma kinchit hrudi dharaya. Don't fill anything with you in your heart with anything temporary. Atmatvam mukta evasi. You are the very self. Kim vimrusya karishyasi. Why do you do all this vimarsa? Vimarsa is or vichara. Vichara is a method. Means why are you doing this inquiry? So Jajaiva dhyanam. Finally, he is giving, give up the dhyanam, give up your so called meditative vimarsa and all those things. This is the 20th sloka. So, basically, this chapter is the beginning of the final teaching, which goes into like next 16, 17, and 18th chapters. All are spoken by Ashtavakra. He from different facets, he continues to reconcile, uncontradict various concepts seen in various other philosophies, considering that there is a trace of world being there. Okay, in the previously he has never considered that there is a world. Now at least he gives a little bit of consideration that in delusion at least world is there. Considering that world, reading or hearing this teaching, he gives that required warnings and practices and what to give up, what not to give up, and things like that. So this is the Ashtavakra's final teaching, the starting of that final teaching, and we have come to the end of 15th Adhyaya on this 10th day reading. This is auspicious Shravana Purnami, full moon in Shravana Nakshatra, with several, it is a Rakhi, it is Hayagriva Jayanti. False knowledge versus true knowledge is the fundamental importance of today. So false knowledge appears similar to the true knowledge, but in the false knowledge pain is there, in the true knowledge bliss is there. Not in misunderstanding, not in misinterpretation. Getting the knowledge as it is the focus for Shravana Purnima. And on this day, We starting this very highest teaching of Ashtavakra, the 15th chapter, is an auspicious thing. May God bless one and all. Swasti.